Diversity in India. Inequality arises when some people do not have the resources and opportunities that are available to others. Example, caste system. Society was divided into different groups on the basis of work done by people. For example, if your parents were teacher, you could only become a teacher. This system of division of society was considered irreversible because it did not allow change of profession. This gave rise to situation of inequality. Diversity in India. India is a country with many diversities like different languages, different food, celebration of different festivals, practice of different religions. According to history of many places, different cultural influences have helped in shaping life and culture of India. Diversity comes when people start adapting the life of a geographical area in which they live. For example, life near sea is different from the life in mountain areas in terms of clothings, eating habits, and even the kind of work people do. Ladakh and Kerala. Ladakh. Location. Ladakh is a cold desert located in the mountains of eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Topography. Does not receive any rainfall. It is covered with snow for a large part of the years. People depend on melting snow for drinking water during summers. Very few trees can grow in Ladakh due to scarcity of water and rain. Dry and barren land scrapes. Job. Pashmina wool is produced in Ladakh. People of Ladakh collect the wool of the sheep and sell it to trader from Kashmir for the production of pashmina shawls. Eating habits. People eat meat and milk products. Ladakh is regarded as good trade route as it has many passes through which caravans of textile, spices, raw silk and carpets travel to Tibet. Buddhism spread in Tibet via Ladakh. Ladakh is also known as Little Tibet. Islam was introduced in Ladakh around 400 years ago. Therefore, people here are mostly Muslims. Culture. It has rich oral tradition of poems and songs. Kesar Saga, a Tibetan national epic, is performed here in local language, which is sung by both Muslims and Buddhists. Kerala. Location. Kerala is located in southwest corners of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other. Topography. Receives rainfall. Surrounded by sea. It has fertile land. Jewish and Arab trader were the first to come to Kerala. Many Arab traders like Ibn Battuta came to Kerala for settlement. Because of various historical influences, people of Kerala practice different religions like Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Majority of people in Kerala eat rice, fish, and vegetables. The fertile land and climate makes it suitable for growing rice. Kerala is famous for spices like cardamom, pepper and cloves. Spices have made this place a big attraction for traders. Similarities in Ladakh and Kerala. Both Ladakh and Kerala were influenced by Chinese and Arabs. Both were big attraction for trader. Ladakh for pashmina wool, Kerala for cultivation of spices. Unity in diversity. Diversity in India is its biggest strength. Women and men from different religious, cultural and regional background came together to oppose the British rule in India. Thousands of people from different background participated in India's freedom movement. During British rule, Indians worked together to decide joint actions. They found different ways to oppose British and went to jail together. British thought that since Indians are different, so they could easily be divided and British can then continue to rule India. But people of India showed unity in diversity in their battle against the British. Hindus, Sikh, Muslims, rich and poor man and women all gathered together to protest against British. Symbol and songs came up during struggle for freedom as it served as a reminder of India's rich culture and tradition of respect for diversity. India's national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, is an example of unity of India.